everybody! Today we are playing in FNAF Help Wanted again. We are going to be doing the vent repair. The requested comment is shown on screen as of right now. See it right there? Yeah, but before we go into that section, we are going to click Showtime. Nope, never mind. But anyways, we are going to be going to the replay. No, I clicked the wrong button.
Welcome to the Freddy Fazbear Virtual Experience.
Bruh.
Fazbear Entertainment is excited to join the digital age, and what better way to do that than with an edge-of-your-seat virtual reality experience.
Well, we're going to be doing the vents.
We know that Fazbear Entertainment has developed something of a bad reputation over the last few decades, and while it's true that some stories associated with our name were loosely based on actual events, the majority of them were total fabrications from the mind of a complete lunatic, lawsuits pending. But we aren't above laughing at ourselves. Ha ha ha. That's why we have recreated many of these completely fictitious scenarios, lies that you've been fed over the last several years, into a hilarious VR game, in the hopes that we can finally move past these childish ghost stories and develop a new relationship with you, as well as your kids. Don't forget the merch, perfect for birthdays. So sit back and enjoy a few scares. We do, however, ask that you acknowledge that Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for accidental digital consciousness transference, real-world manifestations of digital characters, nightmares, night terrors, night sweats.
There we go. Yeah, but anyways, we are going to be doing it. Prize corner. Counter, I mean, we haven't done that. How much coins do I have? Oh, basketball. Yeah, I don't want it. Huh? Okay, hi. Vent repair, there we go. I'm not ready for what's about to happen. Right, Mangle. Start game. I don't have no idea what to do for this one. What's your mind?
Welcome to Vent Repair. Fazbear Entertainment.
Mangled. Ha! Mangled. I am prepared for you, Mangled. If you said to show your face one more time. Where are you, Mangled? I'm not afraid of you. Where are you? Where will you come? I see you, Mangled. I see you. Alright. This is so scary. Alright. I'm ready for you, Mangle. Oh, never mind. Get back in that tiny vent, please. Please. on, Mangled. What do I do? Ah! Hey, Mangled. Mangled, get back in that spot. Get back in that spot. Where's Mangled? Where's Mangled? Why? Where's Mangled? Oh my god, I'm so scared. Red. Hey, Mangled. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. I'm looking everywhere. Oh my god, why is the vent repair so scary? Ah! Got you, Mangled! Orange, green, red, blue. I did it! Take that, Mangled!
72 degrees.
Not so scary
Good
anymore.
job. See you next time.
Yes, we beat. Funtime Foxy! I'm delicious. So cool. Please don't tell me I'm gonna have to. Ennard! Why Ennard? I am gonna die so many times. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh, why? Please don't appear. Please don't appear. Don't show your face, Ennard. Please, I'm so scared. What is this?
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been 0 days since last incident. Emergency ventilation repairs may be necessary to reach the boiler room on sub-basement G. We apologize for the claustrophobic accommodations of the secondary service elevator, but the comfort of the main elevator is well above your pay grade. Now, let's get to work.
Ennard, I beg you.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Ennard? My god. Why is this so scary? So that's 1. 3.
Well done.
Ennard, show yourself. Why is this so scary?
Well done.
Yes. Close that vent. One more. Ennard. Hey. Ah. Ennard, why? I guess off I go again to fight Ennard.
Either that or probably has a small leak and you're leaking right now.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been 0 days.
Why?
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
So I take this one. This one.
Well done.
Yes! How do you beat anyone with this question? Hi.
Well done.
Let's go! Why Ennard again? Alright, Ennard, I'm not happy. Holy cow! Holy cow! Holy cow! Holy cow! Oh! Oh! Ennard, stop it! Stop it! Stop it! I don't like this. Ayo, ayo, ayo! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Ennard! Ennard, stop it! You're so annoying, Ennard. Ah! Get away from me, Ennard. Where's Ennard? Where's Ennard? Ennard, where are you, Ennard? Ah! How am I ever gonna beat this? Ah! Ah! Ennard, you're not funny. You're not funny. I get it, you're calm, but no. Huh. My God, it's so hard. Oh my God, why is this so scary? Bruh, every time I die to Ennard. Oh my God, why is it so hard to beat Ennard? Got it. Hi. Oh my God, why is Ennard so scary? I click the button. God, Ennard, you're not cooperating. Alright, alright. Push the point.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been 0 days since last incident. Emergency ventilation repairs may
Do
be
I really
necessary
just have to
restore-
guess? Do I really have to guess? That's all? Please don't tell me I have to guess.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
I better not have to guess. This one. This one, and then this one's gonna be
Well done.
Yes, let's go! Why, Ennard? Alright. Alright. This one? And then...
Well done.
No, why Ennard this time? Alright, I'm ready for you, Ennard. Okay, maybe I'm not, maybe I'm not. Spiraling. Hold on, can I talk to them? Okay. Hold on. I'll put down my headset, I guess. Oh my god, why Ennard just... Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do I die to Ennard so many times? Ennard, get back in there. Get back in that corner. Don't you dare kill me. Oh my god. Why is this so painful and hard? Oh my god. What the hell? Please. Vent repair. Ennard, what are you doing? Mommy? Can you call Dada? I need his help. Okay.
Welcome to the Freddy Fazbear Virtual Experience. Fazbear Entertainment is excited to join the digital age, and what better way to do that than with an...
Oh my god, why is it so hard? Dada, I need help. Oof. Dada. Got it, Ennard.
Welcome to Circus Babies Entertainment and Rental.
I know this door's gonna open.
Motion
top
trigger.
open anyways?
Breaker room.
Oh. Oh, it's already open.
Well done.
Alright, Dada. I need help. Dada. I need help. Wait, can you come? Alright, Dada. Dada, I need the help now. Alright, after I click this one orange button, I need your help. This level is a bit hard. Basically, you gotta match the cables to the buttons. A power generator is gonna turn red, and you click the button to there. Ennard, I already finished the first 2 sections. I just need help with Ennard. He's the 3rd section, okay? Alright, basically, just click the buttons, like just, do you see those red lights? Well, when I give, there's gonna be red lights. it's connected to the cable, and it will be connected to buttons. Here, wait. Can you hold this controller for me? Ready? As soon as I give you the headset, I'm recording right now, and I need you to finish this level.